Alright, what we have here, guys, is a 2007 Range Rover L322. This is the supercharged version. This is the year that Ford took over and bought these guys. The problem that I'm running into with this is the screen, the radio. Nothing seems to want to work. It does come on, but no functions work. It's no radio, no phone connection, no GPS, any of that. No functions work. It just stays at this screen and that's it. Even if you start the vehicle, makes no difference. Screen always just stays where it's at. This is a fairly common issue with these vehicles, so I'm going to show you the fix for that. Let's go around the back. So once we open up the back, what we want to do is get into this compartment here. It's on the left side on these. Just open that up and that'll expose all the modules that sit in the back. That's where the DVD, the GPS, DVD changer, what have you, and all the other modules that sit back here. Now the problem that we have with the screen not working is most likely our Bluetooth module. It's a fairly common issue on these vehicles. Fortunately, there's an easy fix, easy way around it. So what you want to do is to remove this connector first. This is a fiber optic connections on this, and that's where the issue lies, is inside of this. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to remove this fiber optic connection. Once you have that plug out of the module itself, what you need to do is get these wires. Well, they're not actually wires, they're actually tubes for fiber optics. You got to remove them from this connector. So what you need to do is, you can see that blue tab in there. That's what locks those tubes into this connector. So you want to take a small pick, something like this maybe, or a small screwdriver. You just kind of push that tab from the bottom up. So once that tab from the bottom is pushed up like this, you're able to pull that connector right off of these tubes. So that's our first step. We can actually stick that connector right back into there. Alright, now to bypass the module, what we're going to need is some type of a tubing. What I had here was some clear tubing. It's actually white. It was some leftover from a refrigerator. So I'm going to use this. I just cut a section about 1.5 inches long, what have you. And that's what we're going to use to bypass this module. So what I did here is that section of tubing. I put one end of the tube into there, and the other end will go in here. Essentially all we're trying to do is bypassing it so the light will flow through here and into the other one. That's what's bypassing the module itself. One thing I did do here was I put some electrical tape on the end of the tubes or the wires. That way it just doesn't lose connections, and it's always going to work for you. So now that part is done, let's go see if it actually works. Alright, we're back into the vehicle, and let's see if our radio functions will come back on with that bypass. It looks like we're in business. The radio's on. Let's see if the screen will actually change. There it is. Looks like everything's functional. Yes, it is. Unfortunately, the only function you will lose is going to be your phone function, since the module is not working. You will not have a phone link or the hands-free function for your phone. But otherwise, everything else will work as normal. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I did help somebody out.